it open. No, Scott, not right now. You gotta finish cleaning your corn real quick. You're easily distracted, aren't you?
Yeah, plastic big.
I want to carry it to your house.
How long is Auntie Suzanne staying here?
Till tomorrow.
Ooh, sleepover?
I think so. You see your corn?
Yep. Need help?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta get all the stuff off of it. What's in there?
Hey, Mommy.
There's hair in there? That's called silk. Can you say silk?
You guys say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, can I help you? Okay. Okay, can you get that off? Oh, there you go. Okay, can you open another one?